Exercise 1.4. First question. Using rules of negations, write the negations of the following statements. First example is negation Q implies P. Negation Q implies P. Then this negation is, this is given statement. Firstly law, conditional law use here. Then firstly negation of negation Q. First statement is negation, disjunction with P, which is the conditional law. कंडिशनल लॉ मध्ये पहिल्या स्टेटमेंटचं निगेशन असतं आणि डिसजंक्शन करून दुसरं स्टेटमेंट आपण तसंच ठेवतो, विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ कंडिशनल लॉ. देन निगेशन ऑफ निगेशन क्यू इज क्यू, disjunction p as it is. Negation of negation p, negation of its negation is always q. Therefore negation of negation q, डबल निगेशन्स असतील तर ओरिजिनल स्टेटमेंट येतं. Therefore negation of negation q is q. Then by commutative law, q disjunction p, q disjunction p is p disjunction q, which is commutative law. This is the simplification part here. This conditional law, this is the simplify here firstly. Then this take negation by question p disjunction q. Its negation is negation p disjunction with conjunction negation q, which is De Morgan's law. Then by De Morgan's law, therefore separate negations here and disjunction with conjunction replace. Therefore this is De Morgan's law. This is the negation of given statement. And second example is p conjunction negation q, p conjunction negation q. Therefore this is the given example. Its negation is, take negation this statement. Then by De Morgan's law, separate negations and conjunction replaced by disjunction. Then separate negations here and this conjunction replaced by disjunction by De Morgan's law. Therefore here separate negations and conjunction replaced by disjunction. Then again negation of negation q is q. Here negation of negation q is q. Then use here. Therefore q. Reason given, negation of negation q is always q. Therefore this is the negation of this given statement. And third example is p disjunction negation q, p disjunction negation q. This is a given example. Then this negation is take here, given negation, given statement is negation. Then separate negations here by De Morgan's law and conjunction replaced by disjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction. Here disjunction then replaced by conjunction. Therefore negation p conjunction negation of negation q, De Morgan's law. Therefore separate negations here and disjunction replaced by conjunction here. Therefore negation p as it is, conjunction as it is, negation of negation q is q. Reason negation of negation q is q. Therefore this is the negation of this given statement.